It is the first full day of the legislative session, and by all accounts, lawmakers are getting busy in their committees.
House Bill 1 passed committee in an 8-5 vote and stands to raise taxes and fees by $130 million. WIET 42 News reporter Lee Garner is live at the State House, where that bill is now going to the full House. Lee?
Right, Jim and Sherry. In this second special session, committee members tell me that they've definitely noticed a change. It's better this time around, but that's probably because they feel as though their backs are really up against the wall. Now, let me break down this plan for you. Here's one really notable change this time around. We're talking about from the first special session, now there's a cigarette tax. That's up 25 cents a pack. Now, that's estimated to generate $66 million a year. Also, another new one, an adult entertainment tax. Sponsor Representative Jack Williams tells me that it could generate north of $10 million for the state's general fund. Now, supporters of this plan say this budget will provide level funding for the prisons, the departments of mental and public health, human resources, and the court system, plus a $50 million increase for Medicaid and $16 million for prison reform. Other agencies, however, will be looking at cuts between 1.5 to 8%.
Whether or not we get this package to the House tomorrow or not, I'm not sure, but I think the membership in the House and the Senate is beginning to realize that we have to have some type of reasonable budget put together.
We have had conversation and we have talked about it. Some of them we could possibly agree with, but the fairness of the package is what we're talking about, and making certain that the budget process operates fairly.
And you did hear from Representative John Knight just there. The 27 members of the Black Caucus have taken a position, he tells us, that they won't support any taxes unless there is a commitment to go to 138% of the poverty level. That's when it comes to Medicaid. Now, some members also expressed an interest in a lottery. Coming up tonight on WIAT 42 News at 6, we're going to tell you a little bit about an education lottery bill that dropped today, so stay tuned. For now, we're live in Montgomery. Lee Garner, WIAT 42 News, coverage you can count on.
Meanwhile,